How's it going, everybody? I'm back for another video. As you can see, we're playing Nico Netbots. And it's a bit laggy, so I probably won't turn down the graphics. I need to add like a graphics setting. I'll do it like 3, I feel like might be enough. But like, who cares? So I'm gonna be so they've added backrooms. So they did that update a little bit ago, but they added the backrooms, and I'm gonna die. Yeah, okay, there's no point in this right away. Okay, and tomorrow I will do another video. I'll do not another video about on this, but I'll just do another video. I hope. So yes. First thing is not to die, and I failed. Woo! Now I would like to just have a little talk about like what I think this map. I actually do like this game, so I might do some more videos on it. But I'd like to show you guys something. It's not this one. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna die from my trash inside. Yep. Okay. So there's about 3 things I want to show you. Stop spawn camping me! Oh my god. Just let me. Oh my god, I want to show you this. I want to make a video. This game does not want content. Want me to get content. God, trash internet. Welcome to Trash Internet Simulator. Oh, okay, wait, I can move. Oh. Please let me move. God, I've been saying that. I'm probably gonna die in a second. Oh, like somewhere down there. I need to go down the escalator. That they're probably gonna be down. Where's down the escalator? Actually, wait, no. Okay. This is how you enter the back rooms. Go through this elevator right here. I have to go through it now. Interact with it. As you can see. Welcome to the back rooms. So I did do not really that much research. Now there's some special characters in here. You got nerd emoji. You're gonna dive too. Yep. So you've got nerd emoji. You've got I just speed over there, and also just like present person. I don't know who they are. Don't blame me for. Don't like yell. Be like, hey, this is that person, because I don't know who they are. Sorry, I don't know my presidents. Was never taught it. Oh my god. Should just name. I should just call this. Should just call this video Trash Internet Simulator. Okay. So you can't do it with any other elevator. Look. Nope. I've tried with a lot. Okay. So I want to also have a little talk about something. Okay. So I think it's the next one. Next story. I haven't really explored these top ones, so let's just have a quick little explore of these. Got some toilets. At least you can prove. Yeah, that's kind of nice. If you could play as the bots, that would be like a good hiding spot. I'd say the backrooms would also be, but okay. Oh, my screen glitched for a second. This right here, you can't interact with it yet. I'm gonna die in a second. Oh no. Okay, this right here, I'm taking a guess. This is the way to get to the roof. How am I not dead? It's just the. Are they just like? I think they're stuck on the stairs. Cause watch this. I'm gonna go down the stairs. Oh, you just probably led the person up here. Why are they all running up? Oh. Yep, that's why. Go down. Go down. Also, I want to have a talk about this. This is definitely going to open up. I take a guess that that's probably going to open up and be like an expansion. So like the map's got whoa, the map's got bigger. No, I have to go down to the escalator now. They're probably going to open it up soon. How do you even get down to the escalator? I don't even know. I just somehow. Oh. Their kill box is so big, bruh. So those are my thoughts. Oh, please, yes, they left it open. Wait, no, wait. So if you're running and then like jump perfectly, so you don't just hold jump. Yeah, because you actually can't do that. Just jump perfectly. I was in there. We're in here. Oh. It's like scary if you actually play it. No, stop, idiots! We're getting camped. What do we do? Okay, someone's the bait. No, oh my god, idiots! Stupid. That's what you get. Okay, they can't open doors. God, this is scary, man. It's a PNG of Mr. Incredible's Kenny. Or whatever. Yeah, go back in, go back in. They can't enter here. It's literally says safe zone. Can these people read? Probably not, because they're like 3-year-olds playing this game. Wait, is that the door to get up? Yeah. Yeah, I had it come in. Oh, Banja. Oh, they're gonna be somehow. I'm gonna find them in the mall. Quickly. I need to figure out where is the escalator. Oh, is it through here? Nope. Where is the escalator? Where's the mayonnaise on the escalator? Oh, there it is, bro. Mayonnaise on the escalator. Gonna see you later. I don't know why I sort of speaks like that. I was thinking, because like in the the update notes, it says like backrooms, and I was like thinking like that little area right there. The area where I just walked down, like, could lead you to, like, the backrooms. Like, you just fall through, like, a floor or something like that. No, but you have to take a elevator. Yep. A elevator. I want to just enter the gate area, because it's broken. But, I definitely like this game. If you guys like me making videos on it, please tell me. Okay. Come on, someone close the gate now. I'm probably the only one in here. Nope. Hey, guys. You sure did what I said. Thank you. Oh my god. Yo. Yo, sure. Get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Oh, actually, I want to go to the back rooms. So, back room? Break rooms. Yep, break rooms. Okay. They're all in there. Wait, come on. Go, go. No. Okay, well, that's probably gonna be it. I might do some, like, exploring of the back rooms off camera, but I'll see you guys later. Wait, did it turn off?